When you hear that sound, you're at the comedy show, really, I got hot. When you hear that sound, you're rubbish the rest of them there. You know it's Island Snowman representing for One Nation presents International Comedy Show. You don't know a Saturday, March the 29th. You know that show they are going mad. I know it's keeping at MARACUS, Grand Ballroom. You know that's all loud. I know the address is 6208 Lancaster Avenue. You know at Philadelphia that. That's all loud. Everybody will love comedian something. Check out that one. I know doors open at 8 p.m. sharp. Showtime 9 p.m. sharp. So you know you have to check in from Shirley. Tricks are for kids. Cornflakes are for babies. This comedian show is for everybody. And people, special guest appearance straight from Jamaica. Christopher, Johnny, Daley. And we also have Turae and Shanelle from the United States of America. And we also have Ruperto, Vanderpool from the Dominican Republic. And we also have Camille Joseph from Trinidad and Tobago. Plus we have special guests, comedian. And you know MC, live MC by Orwell Jacob. And Michael 24, hosted by the most sexiest ladies in the world. Beyonce, none of them have nothing for them girl. I'm talking the Turn Up Twins. I'm going to give them $500,000 just for looking beautiful. Pick it up whenever you're ready to pick it up. Turn Up Twins, hosted by you all. And people, admission is only what? $35. That's just the regular ticket. And if you want to get up and close with the people, the VIP pass is $60. Okay? So, pay and come in and enjoy yourself. Ticket will be sold at Ibis Lounge, 5420 Lancaster Avenue. And the other ticket outlet is Brown Sugar Bakery and Cafe. And you know it's 219S, 52nd Street. Tickets are also at Calabash Banquet and Restaurant. You know that 6208 Lancaster Avenue. And for people on the landline, the number to call is 267-721-7406. Let me repeat again, people. 2677-21-7406. Make it a date, don't be late. You need to pick up your tickets early, okay? I'll talk to y'all on next trip.